The King of Happiness, Bazooka Fried Chicken, is celebrating 1-year anniversary this coming Thursday. Come and visit Ramada branch on January 8 to avail the 50% discount on the bestseller menu. Kaya mga ka-doorbells, don't miss the chance. The promo is valid for 1 day only, available for dine-in and takeaways.
From 80 Qatar Riyals, 40 Riyals na lang siya. Mayroon ka ng 8 pieces of fried chicken without wings, fries, 4 pieces of buns, coleslaw, at syempre drinks.
From 60 Riyals, 30 Riyals na lang siya.
10 pieces of chicken strips, coleslaw, fries, buns, and drinks. May kasama ng deep sauces.
You heard it right, kabayan. 50% off sila pero 1 day promo lang sila this Thursday kaya wag niyong palalampasin.
Sobrang na-miss ko talaga ang tender, juicy at crunchy fried chicken nila dito. Legit yung crunchiness niya, made from fresh chicken, delivered daily, and most important, no wings at all. At mas mai-enjoy mo ang 50% discount nila sa family meals, syempre kapag kasama mo ang pamilya mo or ang barkada mo. Kaya mga ka-doorbells, it's payday, sugod na dito sa Bazooka Ramada branch. Happy 1-year anniversary, Bazooka!